DK gang. So today is actually good morning. It is 8:06. It literally just turned 86. So me and Ken have been talking about doing this 24 hours handcuffed 24 hours for the longest. And so I finally ordered handcuffs. So I'm just gonna randomly handcuff him and be like, baby, are you ready to be handcuffed to you, girl, for 24 hours? When I woke up, boo, your girl had the bubbles, but I saved it because he gonna have to come with me and deal with that. Look at this. They even hit it. Oh, that's tight.
Man, it hurts. What are you doing?
This is what we doing. This is what
you holding it like that.
Ken, no.
That hurts.
That hurts me. 24 hours, let's go.
Why you tied so tight?
Cause this is how I wanted it to be.
I can't even rotate my hand like that. Can you rotate yours? Rotate it.
I can
Exactly. I can't rotate mine. Where the keys at?
It didn't come with keys.
Loosen it.
You can't. This is the real deal.
Like I can't even rotate.
This is the real. What you want me to do? Ow! No, Ken, mine isn't even that tight. Yours isn't even that tight.
Bet you find the key now. Bet you find that key now, huh?
Ow, Ken, no.
No,
Ken, that hurt. Ow, Ken, for real. Stop now. I ain't playing with you. This gonna be over real quick. Stop. No.
Babe, for real, I can't even rotate my arm.
And you think I can You think I can rotate my arm?
No.
You was gonna ask if I could go. No, Ken, no, for real, nah, I ain't playing. I can't, for real. Ow! No, I do gotta take a boo-boo. No, for real, Ken, no. Hey, what are we doing? That hurt, Ken. Now I don't like nobody messing with me now when I'm using the bathroom. So you need to be shh and be calm, be quiet. Shh.
I hope you don't stink. But you stink.
I need to wipe my butt.
I ain't wiping it. What?
Ken, no, man. What we doing, man? This ain't even my sink. Your sink right here. I don't know. Ken, no. Move. Man. Shoot, you been pissing me off. Ken, I was loosening them up. What are you doing? Get your little funky stuff on somewhere. There go the keys. Loosen just a little bit. Do not take them off. Do you need me to do it? I got my right on.
Hey, stop that hurt now. Hey,
you don't care about your little attitude, boo. You can straighten that up real quick, okay? Boo, I gotta deal with this. No. Ken, no! I ain't finna play with you. No, loosen mine.
For what?
Loosen it. No, Ken! Boy, I ain't playing with you, that hurt. You know what you doing now.
Come on, babe.
No, Ken, you're not gonna be dragging me around here. Somebody text my phone.
That don't got nothing to do with me, but we're gonna play Fortnite.
No, Ken, no. No, I'm not playing no Fortnite.
You playing Fortnite?
No, we're not playing nothing.
We stuck together for 24 hours.
No, Ken. No, I'm not playing this. No.
What the fuck is that? Get off! So
you didn't even wash your little funky face.
Neither did you.
Tired already, babe. You ain't even been in an hour.
I'm so tired of you, man. What are you doing?
No.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah, but you stop now.
If you break a nail, Ken, I swear to God.
What they got to do with me?
Hey, no, what you doing?
Get up.
No.
If I can't play Fortnite, nobody can do anything.
I'm not finna sit there and watch you play no Fortnite now, man. I can't do that. I'm sorry. I ain't doing that. I'm not finna sit there. I thought we was taking a nap. It is 8:50. As you can see, we haven't been in these handcuffs for an hour, not at least. Hey, can I get some cover?
No.
Kid, no. I'm cold. Okay. Yeah, I just want some cover. That's all I asked for.
I gotta use the bathroom. Come on.
Kid, no.
I gotta use the bathroom.
I don't know what to tell you.
Well, I'm going to use it.
No, Ken, for real. I'm tired. Okay.
Right,
let me get up.
All right, come on. No, look in there.
No, I'm not looking in the toilet. Wash your hands. No. Ken, that's so disgusting of you. You are trash. That is what you are. Ken. Hey, now, wash your hands, man. I dig my booty and put it on you. Oh! 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 Kid, no! Oh! 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 Just use your arm.
I need you. Ready? Bend down. Here we go. I got you.
Oh, man, my back hurt worse. Oh boy. Ooh, he made my back hurt worse. I've been asleep for about an hour, 30 minutes. Ken was up watching Twitch on the phone like always, watching these people play Fortnite like boo, bye. No. We just realized, well, a couple of hours ago, Ken! Now I ain't doing this with you. We just realized a couple of hours ago, there's no way we can change shirts. But we are about to go to Walmart. I want to make me a Pizookie, but we're gonna get food. Come on, I have to think. And I have to put on deodorant.
No.
Come on.
Not again. No.
Yeah, I have to pee.
You'll be alright. There's some deodorant right there.
Oh, I don't want to use your deodorant.
Put your shoes on.
I gotta pee.
Put your shoes on.
Can I use the bathroom?
No, you'll be alright.
I have to use the bathroom. We've only been handcuffed for about 3 hours so far, babe. Where you going? I gotta get my bag. Why you in a rush?
Looking like a hot mess. You can't wear the jacket, G. It's okay.
Yes, I can. Ken, see, you don't know how to play, man. You rough.
How you liking our handcuff experience?
I'm ready for it to be over.
I guess we didn't think about how we were gonna get in the car. So you gotta crawl in. Get out the way.
Oh, okay. We have to drive with one hand. Ain't no way I was doing this. I need both hands, boo boo. Oh, I look a mess. Oh, it never was like this. I could have just drove my goddamn own self.
You could have, but you can't.
We've been handcuffed since about 8, so that means we've been handcuffed for about 3, 2, 4, some hours.
Dragged in Walmart.
The people are looking at us like we're weird. Okay, but I got my cookies.
Alright, can we go now? Right,
okay, I gotta get ice cream. Ice cream.
Then we already look weird in here, people looking at us funny.
Ice cream, and then I gotta get a pan, and I'm good.
Well, we already got pan. You just don't want to dig through and find it.
Get my goddamn ice cream, Ken.
Now let's go. I'm ready to go. People look at us
We
funny.
had to cover it up so we won't look embarrassed. Forget this. Free.
I was trying to let the air drive, but now it's not looking like such a good idea.
Ken!
How you think I'm supposed
Hey, you stupid! You should just let me push it down. No.
to move over. Come over. Son, there we go. You sure you can do this, man? Cause I ain't really trying to get no accident. Now, how you gonna navigate through a drive-through? My wrist hurt. Can you come over, son?
No, I cannot. You see, I'm driving.
Hey, car. Look at my wrist.
arm hurt worse than yours. This is.
Look at your nope. Look at your wrist.
Look, it's.
Now look at my wrist.
It's the same.
So look, move your handcuff. Move it. Just like move it. Oh.
Wow, get together.
I got it.
We're going to Wendy's, right?
No, Chick-fil-A.
You just told me Wendy's, Ken.
I'm trying to come over because my wrist hurts. So don't do that. Don't you do that.
I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks.
No, you ain't. Not with me. No.
I'm driving, so what you gonna do?
We gonna both drive. We both drive today.
Hey, no. So we decided that this whole driving thing ain't gonna work because Ken over here complaining. My arm hurt. Hold on. Why am I getting out the car?
Because I have to car over you, first of all. So
I close the door.
I'm confused.
Let me show you. I'm gonna close the door.
Okay.
I'm gonna cross over and you cross over. In the car. Like we ain't gotta get out. Looking at us like we're weird. Okay.
She so looked at it like we was weird.
Something on my lip.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah. I attempt to do the backpack.
Are you ready? You ready?
Handcuff.
Alright, we're gonna go slow this time. You ready? Just like this. Go out. No, that way.
Okay, I need to coordinate, so let's do it again.
What do you mean?
One, no.
Or you don't start like this. You start like this. You come back. Ken! This is all he do. Watch stupid This is not
Fortnite.
all I do.
Yes, you do. Watch stupid Fortnite games while I don't want to do this.
And you just want to go upstairs and go to sleep. Come on, man.
Well, let me go. I want to get up. I don't want to do this.
Just stand there.
I want to walk up. No, I'm not going to stand here.
Can I go play Fortnite?
No. It's 2:24. You've been handcuffed for 4 hours. I mean, 6 hours. I really did need to take a shower. Babe, I got to take a shower for real.
You just gotta be funky today, man. Let's stop smelling yourself.
Take a shower.
So, I guess we're about to hop in the shower. Where you going?
I ain't going nowhere.
Let me tell you, Kiara does not know how to act with some handcuffs on.
No,
she does
you
not,
don't know how to act.
She does not know that we are a unit. She keeps trying to move on her own and don't be telling me. Don't hug me.
I'm not.
Oh, what you lift that arm up.
Really?
Had to swerve before. Hell what?
So we didn't really think about how Ken is supposed to take his shirt off for the shower. Me, on the other hand, I'm Gucci gravy because your girl got on a tube top, so all I gotta do is floop, and it's done. One. We're gonna get with it.
Alright, come on, turn around.
2, 3.
I'm trying to broke. Turn it off. Just turn it off. It's the one in the middle. Yeah, that one. Oh, there you go, there you go. No, go back up, Back up, there we go. It's up. Finally got a shower, bro. Got tired of standing right here. He finally put some clothes on.
It is 6:12, which means time has went by. The sun is going down, obviously, as you can see, because the sun is beaming right into the building. Well, right into our building, so it's beaming. And I've been sitting here for over an hour while he played Fortnite. You know what I have a taste for? I have a taste for a turkey leg.
All right, I gotta eat.
Hold up.
I gotta eat.
Ken, no, we're gonna have to switch sides. No, I'm not doing
let's
this.
just eat.
No, I'm switching sides.
No.
8:44. We've been handcuffed for way too long, boo, and I just can't do it no more.
12 hours.
Oh, babe, it's the first time using the oven.
Making something I don't want. This is so miserable. Dear done got her bazooki. I already kissed you. I'm wet. See, look, wet. Look. Girl, we almost made it. Babe, I gotta go pee.
I'm trying to go.
Babe.
You know I don't like when you be pushing on me like that.
I gotta go pee.
Come on. It is 6 something in the morning. And I completely forgot if I slept on this side, it would be hell. Babe, I have to pee. I have to pee. One tinkle. I have to pee. Ken.
Well, we both just woke up, and I got great news for you. We did it!
We actually overdid it because
Like what?
it's 9:36. We began around 8.
Whew, hell out of y'all say
No,
that this.
please. Bro, man, take your handcuffs off and go brush them teeth.
I gotta go take a shower. Cause I couldn't.
Hold on, wait. Can we take these off because it's over?
Oh yeah. Take them off.
All right, here go to. Woo, I'm free! My man.
Free!
Whoa.
And don't forget to follow Dear
On Instagram @De'Ara, also my Twitter.
and me, Roleplays, 2 underscores, all my handles. And without further ado,
We got a dab. I could be free.
love you, DK gang.
See you in the next video.